Today we are going to see about Python functions. First, what is meant by function? Function is a building blocks of Pythons. Before knowing to see about the function, the definition of function we should know about clearly. Functions are named as a building blocks of code that are designed to do the specific job or special job. The functions are named block of code that are designed to do the specific jobs. Some special jobs can created by some special jobs are allocated by the user or special jobs allocated by the created by the programmer. This special programming can done by only with using the functions. Functions is fully designed by building blocks. The building blocks are separated by the curly braces, flower brackets, so that the functions are named block of code that are designed to the specific job. The group of related statement that performing a specific task, some special or specific tasks that are can be created by the programmer. It is called as a group of related statement, member function, methods, and object oriented codings and special functions are specifically designed for to creating some specific job or specific task that can be given by the programmer. It can be done by only creating by the special kind of coding. It is called as a group of related statement or group of related functions that it can be created by to performing the specific task. So what is the advantages of using creating the functions? It can avoiding their representation and making the high degree of code reusings. The code reusing must be very important to use the reusability of code and induce the code sharings, to avoiding their representations to making the high degree of code reusing. Some are duplicated copies, it can be avoided by the taking the duplicate copies, it can be avoided by the pirated copies. So it is a major features that it can be function should be created means no other some special private copies can be allowed in the functions, providing the better modularity for your applications. It can be specifically designed and special effects that it can be created by to do the providing the better modularity for your some specific applications. It is a major two advantages of creating using the functions. And second thing, the types of function. There are four major types to creating an function. First one is user defined function, second one is built-in function, third one is lambda function, and other one is recursion function. So what is meant by user defined function? User only can designing a some specific job is called as a user defined function. What is a user can designing and some special kind of programming, it is called as a user defined function. The function defined by the user themselves can creating by the special jobs or special programming, it is called as a user defined function. Next one is built-in function. The functions that are inbuilt with the Python programming, the functions that are inbuilt in the C++ programming, the functions that are inbuilt to creating a some special kind of programming, whatever it may be, C or C++ or Python programming. So next point, third point is lambda function. The functions that are anonymous, unnamed functions, unnamed some special kind of functions that can be created by the some special effects is called as a lambda functions. Recursion function, the functions that are called itself is known as a recursive functions. The functions that are called itself within the function that it called themselves itself is called as a recursive functions. Next, function definition. The definition is the functions is there. Functions block begins with the keyword followed by the function named and parentheses. Parentheses definition means and def followed by the definitions keyword followed by the function parentheses. Function parentheses is declared as a, this point should be declared in the main functions. Any input parentheses and or argument should be placed within their parameters when you define in your functions. The parameters is declared within their parentheses declared by the functions. Any input parameters. Parameters are argumental value. What is meant by parameter and argumental value? When the functions are compiling, when the functions are compiled, alt F5 or F9 should be given as a compilation. F5 key should be pressed as a compilation. When the programs are compiling, the parameter argument should be placed within their parameters or parentheses. The function should be checked by line, segment by segment, word by word. It can be specifically checking by their allocated by the parameters or argumental value should be placed within this parenthesis when you define in the function. This the code of a block always comes after the colon and it's a intended functions. The statement return expectations exit a function. Every program there is an return statement is exiting a function, optionally pausing back an expressions in a calling of functions. It can be created by the calling of function in back of the processing. It is a syntax of the function for using their user defined function. Declaration functions will be return and return value expression. It is an example of a declaration function, defining function hello statement, printing the hello using Python. Return every ending the program there is should be an one return statement. It is called as a user defined function. Parameter 1 and parameters 2 will be allocated from some specific allocations. Only now you got using as a only parameter 1, parameter 2 is the optional content, and now return the statement expressions will be none of the value should be written, only simply you got to type hello. So definitions will be declaration process will be hello and print the value, returning the value should be hello the value, it should be printed, and return value 0 means it can be ending the programming process. Next, blocks. What is mean by blocks? A block is one or more line of code grouped together, treated as a one big sequence of statement with expressions, is called as a blocking code. The blocking code should be separated by the parentheses, or blocking code should be separated as a flower brackets, curly braces. In Python statement, in the blocks are written within their indentations. A block begins with the line in a indented by their four spaces, and all the statements of the block should be at the same indented values. The four statements should be returned in the indented value should be returned. It is a main important should be returned in a blocking statements. Nested blocks. A block with a block is called as a nested block. Within the block creating as a within the block is called as a nested blocks. When the first block statement is indented by a single tab space and second block statement is indented by the double tab space, it can be created by the some specific single tab and double tab space. One tab should be written in a 5 space, double tab means 10 space should be written. Next, advantages of user defined function. The first point advantages is the function help us to dividing a program into the modules. This makes the code easier to manage. This program should be easy to manageable. It implement the code, reuse and execute their sequence of statement by using the calling the function. It is a main process of creating. The function help us to dividing the program into the modules. Modules should be created. Some special programming or big project should be created. Before creating a one big project, one small module should be created to make this module code easier to managing the function. Second point, it implement the code reuse to execute the sequence of statement in a calling the functions. Third point, the functions allow you to use to change their functionality easily, and different programming can work on their different functions on in their different platforms. It can be working within their different functions or in the different functionalities created by the different platforms. Calling a function. First point, calling a function. To calling the value a comma b or 5 comma 6, a equal to 5 or b equal to 6 or 5 comma 6 or a comma b. It is called as a calling a function. When you call the function, this describing the strings will be followed the return argument. If the return has to be no argumental, will be displayed as a list statement of the output value that it can be given in their calling the functions. Passing the parameter in the function. What is my passing the parameter? When the programs are compiled, when the programs should be compilation, the parameter passing through the argumental values. When the programs are executed sections, the parameters are passing by the functionalities. The parameters or argument can be passed to the function. The parameter that placed in the parentheses will be used to the function itself. The functions can created by the parentheses, it can be created by itself, can be passing to the short of the data of the function. So it should be created by their argumental can be passed to the functional values. Next point, function arguments. What is the functions argument that it can be specifically created? The arguments are used to calling a function. There are the primarily four type of function. One is required the argumental values and required from functionalities. First point, required arguments. What is meant by required arguments? The required arguments are the argument passed to the function in correct positional order. It can be designing in there some specific positional order without changing their modularity or without changing the order. The program should be comes under the sequential order. The number of argument in the function call should be match executively within the function definition. The function call should be argument with the function should be matches exclusively in the function definition. At least one parameter is needed to prevent the syntax error. Without the error, program can run easily. The syntax error or declaration error or terminated error will get in the required outputs. It is as a calling the parameter or calling the argumental values or passing the parameter in the functional areas. Some small example should be providing for creating an argumental requiring functions. When the above coding is executed, it provides their following error. Some error message will be declared here. The modules will be printing the strings. The printing the strings will be one required. The positional argument will be str. The string positional value will be strl, but the giving the str positional content. The error message will be syntax error. Syntax error means some simply spelling mistake or semicolon or double colon quotation mark. This type of error will be denoted as a syntax error. That keyword arguments. Second point, what is meant by the keyword argument? Keyword argument will be invoked the functions after their parameters or recognized by their parameter names. The keyword is a main important things to be the argumental values invoking by the functions that of the parameters are recognized by their parameters name. The value of the keyword argument is method with their parameter name and so on that all put in their argumental values. Importing order is not in a order formation, it in a zigzag formation or any other first letters will be or second letters will be s, second letters will be t, but in order formation it can be created by some alphabetical order or numerical order. Some other specific order should be created by the keyword 1 2 3 4 5 or a b c d returning in there calling the function. It is called as a keyword argumental values. Some example should be given. Keyword 2, the argumental position, name. The name 1, name 2, name 3. So the calling the functions will be declared as a one by one should be written. So definition, print the data as name means what is the name should be written here, and other one is name should be written one by one. The first name will be written, second name will be written, third name will be written. It is called as a calling the print data in the functional areas. Some small examples will be here. First one written as a name, second one written as a age. So first display the name should be displayed, second should be age should be displayed. It is called as a keyword arranging orders, keyword argumental areas. First declare print as a name, second printed as a age. Age should be printed as a age, name should be printed as a name. So here will be written as a name and age values. Next, default argument. What is mean by default argumental areas? The default argument is an argument to take a default value is no value providing in the functional calls. Null value or zero values are providing in the functional area. The default argument is an argument that takes default values. It can be should accommodate the default value should be taken without saving the place. It can be taking the first letter to be saving their own data. So in MS Word or MS Excel sheet or MS Power presentation sheet, without saving the document, without giving the name, it should be saved means it can take the default values. What is the first letter will be saving as? It is a save the first letter. It is called as a default argument. In an argument that takes the default value on no value is be provided. You should not give any value, or you will not be able to give any value to save the function means it can automatically take the default value is called as a default argumental value. Some following examples should be given in the printed. Default salary should be arranged as a default values. It is called as a default argumental areas. Some output will be there, name, ROM and salary will be there 2000. It is written as a values. In the above coding, the values for 2000 is pausing in the argumental salaries. The default value is already assigning from salary in a simple ignorance value. It can be ignored by the simple positional content. Next, the variable length argument. The variable length arguments are not specified in the function definitions or ASK codes or alphabetical codes or numerical codes or some other non-numerical values defining such as a argumental values. It is called as a variable length arguments. They define some of the value x comma y comma z means x plus y plus z mean 10 comma 5 comma 15 comma 20 comma 25 value should be written as a argumental result values. The three values should be replaced as a x comma y comma z. The multiply symbols or addition symbol or should be written in the variable length values. What is variable? The alphabetical letters or in this ABCD formation is called as a variable. A comma B comma C, X comma Y comma Z or any other rhyming terms is called as a variable length arguments. Some syntax will be declared as a variable arguments is declared in some syntax positions. It is called as a syntax values. Default function name argumental defining the print for in the syntax value print the n value returning zeros. The print value 1 and 2. 1 means 10, 2 means 20, other one is addition value 10 plus 20 equal to 30. It is called as a print length argumental values. The output will be written print the two values 1 and 2, 10 comma 20, add the two values 10 plus 20 equal to 30. It is called as a length of argumental values. Anonymous function. What is mean by anonymous function? Anonymous functions is a function that is defined without the name, without giving any intimations. It is called as a anonymous function. While normal functions are defined using their definition keyword, the anonymous functions are defined using their lambda keyword. The lambda keyword should be arranged as a anonymous function. Anonymous functions are also called as a lambda function. Anonymous are also called as a lambda function. The lambda functions is declared as a anonymous function. So lambda function is mostly used to creating a small and one-time anonymous functions. It can be created by anonymous function. It is called as a OTP, one-time password. It can be generated by sequentially one by one. It is called as a anonymous function, lambda function. Lambda functions are mainly used in a combinations of creating some special recursive functions. It is called as a some simple syntax of anonymous function. The sum of the value 30 comma 40, the sum of the print the sum of the value 30 comma 40 equal to 70. Add the two number a comma b plus argument value 1 plus average argumental value 2. The value 1 plus 2 equal to 30 plus 40 equal to 70. For the sum value equal to declaration process declaring in a sum argumental length values. So it should be returned. Sum and product value should be written in the sum of the processing. The lambda function that are added in the argumental A1 with the argumental positional value E should be declared in the store in the result in their variable sum. The result display using the print of the option it can be designed. Return statement. What is meant by return statement? The return statement causes your functions to execute and return a value to do their calling function. The return statement causes the function to execute. The returning the value is called as a return statement. The return statements is used when the function is ready to return a value to their callers. Some calling function a equal to 10, b equal to 20, it is called as a calling function. So only one return statement is executed to return the time even through their function containing the multiple returning statement. It can be created by some special returning statements. It can be created some special recursive order in the returning statement. For an example, return the statement default value user should be returned if greater than or equal to 0, return the value. Else, if statement and else will be pronounced as a returning statement. Enter the value 20, one value should be returned. Enter the value 5 into 5 equal to 25. Return value should be written in the return formation. 25 also 5 into 5 equal to 25. Output should be returned 2 times. It is called as a return values. Output 1 equal to 25, 25. Output 2 equal to only 25. It is called as a returning statements. Now you got to know about the scope of variable. It is a new type of scope returning in their scope of variable. The scope of variable, what is mean by the scope of variable? What is mean by the scope? The scope of variable refer to the part of the programming whether it be accessible. The scope of the variable holding the current set of value and in their value should be using in the special arranging orders. It is called as a scope of variable. There are the two type of scope. One is local scope and other one is global scope. First you have to know about what is meant by local scope. The local, a variable declared inside the function bodies or in the local scope is known as a local variable. What is mean by the function bodies? Function body means it can be building blocks within their one segment to the another segment. It is called as a local scope of variable. The local scope declaring in the local function, a variable declared inside the function bodies or in the local scope is known as a local variable. What is the rules of creating the local variable? The first rule should be created by the local variable. A variable with the local scope can be assigned only within the function or blocking that is created in their functional areas. When the variable is to be created inside the function or created by the outside the function or within the function or inside the function, the variable becoming the local scope of variable. The local variable only exists while the functions to be executed. When the programs are compiled and the program going should be compilation, it should be executed in through the output. It is created by the some rules of local functions of variable. It is going through the argumental area also in the local functions. Some example for creating the local function. It is called as a local variable by using the parentheses. Output returning values. No value should be given to the inside the local scope. It is called as a returning value. Out should be written assigning as a 0 values. So it is called as a local scope of variable. Next one is global scope. What is meant by global scope? To enter in the only full processing segment to created by the full programming to assigning their full valuations or full variable declaration process in the entire program is called as a global scope. A variable with the global scope can be used anywhere in the programming. It can be created by defining their variable outside the scope of any functional blocks. It can be created by any functions in the outside the block also. Inside the block, anywhere in the programming and outside the scope of any functional or in the blocking segment. It is can be created by the scope of variable. It is created by the global scope of variable. Next point, the rules for global scope and using the keywords. When we defining the variable outside the function, it is a global by default value should be created or default value should be assigning from some creating their global scope. You do not have to use the global keyword. We use global keyword to return and reading the value and write the global variable inside the function or within the function. It can be created by using their global scope of variable. Using their global scope, some example should be assigning some small example. To assigning the global variable function inside the function should be created. The print c outside the value c equal to 1, print the value c equal to 1 means print the value c. How the output comes 1. So c is a reference variable and reference variable created by the outside of the global scope. Modality globing variable from the inside the function should be created. C equal to 1, c equal to c plus 2. What is the value should be inside by the incremented by the 2. That means c equal to 2 means c plus 2. What is the value? C equal to 1 plus 2 equal to 3. It is inside the global scope variable. C equal to 1 means print the output 1 equal to is called as a outside the global variable. Without using the global keyword, we cannot modify the global variable inside the function, but we can only assigning the global variable by using this x equal to 0, y equal to 0, x equal to x plus 5 equal to 0 plus 2 incremented value should be assigning as a incremented values. Global and local variables. What is mean by global and local variable? Using the local variable can created by the small example, using the globalization created by both of them, declaring this simultaneously. Some 7 small example should be written here. X equal to 8, global variable. The global variable declared as a x. Y is declared as a local variable. So the value should return as x equal to 8 is a global variable. The local variable y equal to 0. Print the value x and print the value y is called as a global variable and local variable declared in the both using the simple syntax coding. The global variable and local variable with the same name, having their same name, x equal to 5, y x equal to 10. It is called as a using the same name, the global and local variable assigning the same order. What is the value? X equal to 5 and x equal to 10. Same name can created by the different value. It is called as a global variable and local using the same name. And built-in and mathematical function. Built-in function and mathematical function should be written here in a some specific order. ABS function description and syntax. The function description and syntax will be assigning some specific order, returning in the some special value. ABS formation, returning an absolute values of number, argumental may be in their integer or floating point of variable or floating point of number. The syntax is written in as a ABS written as a X formation. X equal to 20, y equal to 23.2. Print the value in the decimal point is called as the example should be written in the decimal point. What is the value should be written in their input value? The value should be given in their outside the programmatical content. And then next point you should see in their order formation. What is the return order formation? Returning the ASCII codes, American Standard Code of Information and Interchange, ASCII, from the given Unicode is directed by from functions invert their character in their functional areas. It is order function. C value should return in a C equal to A, D equal to A. Print the value C in order formation, print the value A in order formation given by the C order. C equal to 95, A equal to 65. Value should be written in their order forms. Some mathematical functions function description, syntax and some small example should be written for some mathematical functions. Floor, the returning the large integer leads to their equivalent to the x values, returning the mathematical values. Syntax should written as a math dot flow dot x, returning in a parenthesis. X equal to 26.7, y equal to 26.7, z equal to 23.2. Print the value, the mathematical flow, the printing the mathematical function 26, 27 and 24. Round the value should return in the mathematical some special functions. calling a function, squaring the function, returning their smaller integer greater than that or in their equivalent to x values. What is a equivalent value should return in the x positional content, return in the equivalent value should return from the calling the function. Squaring the function, value should be square from the different areas, returning the square root of x. The note the maximum, the x must be greater than be the 0 values. Is infinity values created by the more than, when the value should be square, 0 cannot be squaring in their value, but returning the square value must be greater than zeros. Composition in function. The value returned by the functions may be used in a argument for another function in the nested manner. So within the functions is called as a nested function. The value returned by the functions may be used in a argument from the another function in the nested manner. So one function should be inside the function, one function should be created inside the functions is called as a nested function. The value should be returned functions may be used in a argument from the another function in the nested manner. It is called as a composition function. N1 equal to equivalent to the input value, number value should be returned, enter the number 2 3 4. The n1 value should return in there, equivalent number equal to n2. The argumental position 12.0 plus 13.0 plus 0 into 0, value should return in there inside the function. Function should be created by the composition function. Python recursive function. What is meant by Python recursive function? It is defined in the some specific Python programming. A Python function which call itself is known as a recursion. The function itself is called as a recursive function. The function returning by there itself is known as a recursive function using Python. Recursive work like a loop, but sometimes it makes more senses to use the recursive than the looping function. Some special function should be created. It working as a loop function, repeated the statement, but different categories. Same action should be repeated again and again. It is called as a looping statement or iteration statement, repeated by the same statement, same categories by using their recursive functions. Next, overview of how recursive function should be working or working with the recursive function. Recursive functions is called by this some external code. If based on the conditions is mean when the program given by their meaningful output and exiting the programming. It exits the programming when the programs are compiled, when the program going should be compilation. The argumental area, the positional content should be reading by their line by line, word by word, segment by segment. Program should be read by the argumental values. It is called as a positional content. If based on the conditions is made the programming given by their meaningful output and exist, when the output comes out from the programming or the program should automatically exist, otherwise the function does not some required processing. When output cannot be executed, it cannot be executed, the output program cannot be end or program cannot be compiled. It functions does not require pausing them the calling function itself to continue in their recursive functions. Some small example. Factorial number should be returned if n equal to 0, return value should be 0. What is the factorial of 1? What is the factorial of 5? What is the factorial of 3? Return value equal to 1. Returning value n into factorial into 1. Print the value factorial number. What is the value should be returned for factorial for 5? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 written as a 120 should be written in the factorial forms. Printing the value in the factorial form of 2000 will be given the return the error maximum returning statement depth executed. Some composition will be held in some specific programming. This happens becoming in the Python programming to stop the calling function, recursive function, at least in the calling function defined by there some specific jobs to allocate some doing the special changes in their limitations of using some special programming designed by the Python or designing by the C++, returning the value. What is the value of 2, or what is the value of 2 in their factorial number? 1 into 2 equal to 1 into 2 equal to 2. What is the value of 3? 1 into 2 into 3 is called as a 6. What is the value of 6 in a factorial number? 720. What is the value of 5 in the factorial number? 120. It is called as a factorial number calculated by themselves to be calculated. Within the number or within the value should be calculated themselves is called as a recursive function. To creating a calling recursive function, okay, designing by some special programming is defined by the Python, created by using same platform using their C or C++ programming. Thank you.